So for you, Ms. LJ Mendoza, why innovation and entrepreneurship is important in this competitive world?
Of course, for example, kung mag-elevate ka ng isang bagay, kailangan may idea ka sa mga yun.
Innovation and entrepreneurship are critical in competitive.
In NSI, how can we encourage a knowledge to grow?
Ano ba yung pinapagawa? Ano ba yung NSI na yan? Hay nako, ate ko. Hindi mo alam yung NSI, National System of Innovation?
Hindi. Kaya nga hindi ko nasagot kanina eh.
Ayan,
Ano ba yan? Nag-aaral ka pa?
Ay, sorry po ah.
Alam mo, manood na lang tayo ng Innovatox para explain sa'yo lahat ng maayos.
Paano pa kayo po?
Ay, edi wag.
Charis, tara na, oy! Tara na.
Hello Innova viewers, magandang umaga. Welcome to Innovatalk, where we will help you know more about innovation. The topic that we will be discussing for today is National System of Innovation and Entrepreneurship. So first, let me give you a quick introduction to our topic. The National Innovation System was mainly developed in 1970s and 1980s. It is a network of organizations that facilitate the creation and dissemination of new technologies, providing a framework for governments to formulate and enforce laws affecting the innovation process and fostering the exchange of information and skills. So, unlike the old idea of innovation, it is a straightforward process. So, kapag sinabi nating straightforward process, they only connect and develop. Hindi naman laging ibig sabihin ng straightforward is good meaning ngayon. When they connect and develop, they stop. They don't improve their product. Next, the National System of Entrepreneurship. It is like a network that connects people's goals, skills, and attitudes towards starting new businesses. It encourages people to use their abilities to create and manage new ventures. This system helps allocate resources by inspiring individuals to establish and operate new businesses, driving economic growth and innovation. The National System of Entrepreneurship is like a big support system that includes rules, organizations, and actions that all focus on helping people become entrepreneurs and making it easier for new businesses to start and grow. It's like a set of tools and resources that encourages and support people in starting their own business and making them successful. So both the National System of Innovation and the National System of Entrepreneurship are essentials. They are essential components of country's economic development strategy, working together to drive innovation, create jobs, and foster sustainable growth. Now, please welcome Ms. Janine Shervo and Ms. LJ Mendoza. Welcome our dear visitors. Kindly introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I am Janine Sherbo, one of the speakers for today's episode.
Hi everyone, my name is LJ Mendoza, another speaker for today's episode.
So we come to realize that there is such thing as NIS, or also what we call National System of Innovation, which is actually interconnected to entrepreneurship. So Ms. Shervo, can you please explain to us the overview of this so-called National System of Innovation and Entrepreneurship?
Okay, so good morning everyone. Let me once again formally introduce myself. I am Janine Shervo, one of the speakers that will tackle National Systems of Innovation and Entrepreneurship for today's episode of Innovatalks. So before we begin, I would like to politely ask everyone who are watching right now to please pay attention, as the ideas that we will be disseminating can become one of your weapons as you go take the path of entrepreneurship. So going back to the question, National Systems of Innovation serve to stimulate the creation of knowledge, whereas innovation is defined to as the process of changing, upgrading, revolutionizing, altering, or even transforming. So in the process of innovating, an application of knowledge is present, right?
Yes.
Because we will not be able to innovate something without prior knowledge to a certain thing. Of course, for example, kung mag-elevate ka ng isang bagay, kailangan may idea ka sa mga yun. Kumbaga dapat may bala ka bago sumabak sa gyera, sabi nga ng mga kasabihan. And that's when NSI, or National System of Innovation, will take place. Kasi we are tackling about the stimulation of knowledge. We are now discussing in NSI, how can we encourage a knowledge to grow? Para sa gayon is hindi mawala yung concept of innovation sa economy worldwide. Kasi of course, along with the process, they also stimulate economies, essentially taking on the role of a modern national production system. And of course, in tandem with NSI, is the concept of entrepreneurship, which usually involves identifying and exploiting opportunities in the external environment. So this is now where we pursue starting, managing, and scaling a business, since in entrepreneurship, need natin i-combine yung innovation as well as our skills and vision to develop something, may it be a product, service, or an idea that meets a market demand and create value for a target audience.
So, in simple terms, can you explain to us again how innovation and entrepreneurship are interconnected?
Okay, so innovation plays a central role in entrepreneurship as it involves the replacement or improvement of existing offerings. So, but please don't get me wrong, entrepreneurship and innovation are closely related but distinct concepts. Kumbaga, yes, may relationship tong dalawang word na to, pero magkaibang concept pa rin sila. While innovation involves introducing something new, such as a business model, product, idea, or service, entrepreneurship focuses on turning a great idea into a viable business opportunity. Innovation is the starting point for entrepreneurship as it involves the creation of new and valuable ideas. However, entrepreneurship goes further by taking on the risk and responsibility of bringing those ideas to market and building a successful business. So in other words, sa innovation yung salita, while si entrepreneurship naman yung gawa. Sa innovation yung idea, tas si entrepreneurship naman yung magdadala or magpapakilala sa idea na to sa market.
Tao?
Hindi.
Bagay?
Hindi.
Hayop?
Hindi.
Lugar?
Hindi rin.
Pangyayari?
Hindi nga.
Ano ba? Pagkain?
Hindi.
Ha? Ano yan? Oh, tignan mo. Wala naman sa mga categories na binanggit ko yung word na yan eh.
Innovation yan, te. Hindi mo alam?
Hindi.
Ba't hindi mo alam?
Kasi, ewan.
Oh, alis na dyan ako mag-explain. Did you know that innovation is the introduction of something new in the market? It may be a new idea, device, or a concept. O, alam mo na?
Now I know.
Kaka-ML mo yan. O, tara na!
Tara!